Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will explore advanced indexing technique in Pandas. This technique allows us to access and manipulate our data in more sophisticated ways. So let's get started. To demonstrate this concept, let's use a sample data set. Imagine we have a data about the student, their name, age and their test score. Let me run this code. So here what we have done it, in this code we have created a data frame called df with student data. Now let's say we want to access specific rows or column based on certain condition using advanced indexing techniques. So in this code, indexing rows based on condition, by using conditional statement within square bracket we can filter the data frame to include only the rows that meet specific criteria condition. In this example, we are selecting rows where the score is greater than 85. So let me run this code. So here in greater than 85 will be 92 and 88. So Emily and Jessica will be here. Now moving to indexing columns by names. So we can also index column by name by passing a list of column names within double square bracket. We can select and retrieve specific columns from our data frame. So let me run this code also. So here if you can see, name and score only came here. Now let's move to next code which is indexing using LOC. So the LOC indexer allow us to access specific rows and column by label. We can specify both rows and column label to retrieve a subset of our data frame. So in this example, we are selecting rows 1 and 2 and column name and age. Let me run this one. So here you can see the first and second row, and then the name and age column. And that's conclude today's episode on advanced indexing technique in Pandas. By leveraging these technique, we can access and manipulate our data in more powerful ways. Stay tuned for more exciting topic in our Pandas series. Thank you for watching.